Good morning, students. Now it's time for the mental maths, and today we'll be doing worksheet 13 and worksheet 14. Look at the first one. Use different color pencils to match the question with its respective answer. If you add 175 to 25, if you add 175 added to 25, the answer will be 200. Next, 100 more than 1684. So 1684 plus 100, the answer will be 1784. Because 100 is in the 1 is in the hundreds place, and here in the hundreds place this is 6, so it will increase by 1. Next, the sum of 2386 and 1000. If you add 2386 and 1000, see this is the there 1000 place, so if you add 1 to the 1000 digit of number of 2386, in the 1000 place 2 is there, and here 1, so 2 plus 1 will be 3, so answer will be 3386. And this one, complete the magic square of addition and write the magic number. This will be doing after few days. Now we will be doing worksheet 14. Now look at the worksheet. Solve the following word problem. Number 1, Sukanya. So this is a word problem. So you should always remember, when there is a word problem sums, you have to story sums, you have to write down the steps. Without steps, no marks will be given to you. Without steps, there are no word problems. So carefully look at the sums and write down the steps. Number 1, Sukanya saw 5,396 birds in a bird sanctuary. Tamanna saw 1,240 birds. How many birds they see altogether? So how will you write down? First, look at the first sentence. So Kanya saw 5,396 birds in a bird sanctuary. So first step, you have to write down number of birds Sukanya saw in a bird sanctuary. So how much birds did Sukanya see in the bird sanctuary? First, see, there are 4 digits. That is, you have to place the units according to the number, according to the place value chart. So this is 5,396. So you have to place the 1000 up to 1000 place. So write down here 5 Sukanya, number of birds Sukanya saw in a bird sanctuary. How much? 5,396. Next, next sentence, Tamanna saw 1,240 birds. So what will be your next steps? Number of birds Tamanna saw in a bird sanctuary. How much it is? It is 1,240. So write down here 1,240. You have to add it. Now next, what is the question meaning? How many birds did they see altogether? So therefore you have to write down therefore total number of birds they saw altogether. You have to give a plus sign, and then you have to add the numbers. So 6 plus 0 will be 6, 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 in the tens place, 1 in the hundreds place. So 100 plus 300 will be 400. 400 plus 200, 400 plus 200 will be 600. So write down 6 in the hundreds, under 100, and 1 in the 1000. Now 1000 plus 5000 will be 6000, and 6000 plus 1 will be 7000. So write down 7 under 1000. 6, sorry. Again, I'm sorry, extremely sorry. Look at 6 plus 0 will be 6, 9 plus 13. So 3 plus 1 will be 4, 4 plus 2 will be 6. That you don't have to carry any one, sorry. Next, 5 plus 1 will be 6. So now therefore total number of birds they saw altogether is 6,636. Now write down the answer. Sukanya and Tamanna saw how many birds? 6,636 birds all together in a bird sanctuary. This is a word problem. Again, I am telling you. Read the sums properly, and then write the steps one by one according to the number. Look at the next sums. In a village, there are 3,437 men and 2,513 women. There are 1,002 children also in a town. What is the total population of the town? So in a village, so much are men and so much are women, and in a town there are so many children. So they are asking what is the total population of the town. So first, read the first sentence. In a village there are 3,437 men. First step will be your number of men in a village is, again you have to put the units according to the place value chart. So write down 3,437. Next, and 2,513 women. So your next step will be number of women in a village. How much? 2,513. Next step, there are 1,002 children also in a town. So then next step here will be number of children in a town will be 1,002. Now what is the question? What is the total population of the town? So you have to write down, give a plus sign and write down. Therefore, total number of population of the town, you have to, now let's add. 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 2 will be 12. So write down 2 at the under 1 and 1 at the 10th place. Now 110 plus 3 tens will be 4 tens. 4 tens plus 1 will be 5 tens. So write down under 10 5. Next, 400 plus 500 will be 900 plus 0. So 400 plus 500 will be 900 plus 0 will be 900. So write down 9 in the under the 100 and then go to the 1000 one. 3000 plus 2000 will be 3, 4, 5000. Then 5000 plus 1 will be 5, 6000. So write down 6 under the 1000. So you have got the answer now, 6,952. So in answer you have to write down dash is the total population of the town. How much is the total population of the town? 6,952 is the total population of the town. Now look at the next sums. In a school, there are 2,510 girls. There are 300 boys more than the number of girls. In a school, there are 2,510 girls. There are 300 boys more than the number of girls. How many boys are there? So in a school, there are so many girls. And apart from so many girls, there are 300 more boys. There are more 300 boys than the girls in a school. How many boys are there? So the first sentence is, in a school there are 2,510 girls. So write down the first sentence, number of girls in a school is how much, put the Unit, put the unit and place the according to the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So how many girls are there in a school? Number of girls in a school are, write down 2000. 2510. Next, there are 300 boys more than the number of girls. So you have to write down the steps. Number of boys more than the number of girls. So how many boys are more than the girls? There are 300. So put 300. 300, that is in under 3, under 100 write down 3, then 0 0. How many boys are there? So in the therefore total number of boys you have to add. 0 0 will be 0, 1 tens 1, 1 tens plus 0 tens will be 1, 500 plus 300, 500 plus 300 will be 5, 6, 1, 800. Then 2000, 2000. So total number of boys 2810. So write down in the answer 2810 boys are there in the school. Now look at the fourth sum. In this number 4 sums, I'll be just telling you the steps. This you have to do as homework in your copy. I'll be explaining it to you. In a school, 384 girls and 426 boys made bird feeders, while 105 students did not make a bird feeder. How many students contributed towards conserving the ecosystem? So now look at the sums. They are asking, in a school so many girls and boys they made a bird feeder, while so many students did not make a bird feeder. So don't get confused, as there are 3 numbers, so I have to add these 3 numbers. You have to look at you have to understand the sums and the question. How many students contribute towards conserving the ecosystem? So just they are asking that how many students they contributed. They didn't ask how many students were there in the class or how many total students were there, nothing like that. So how many students contributed towards the conserving the ecosystem? There's so many girls and so many boys. So first step, what will you write? Number of girls contributed, number of girls made bird feeders, 384 in a school. Next, number of boys made bird feeder in a school, number of boys in a school made bird feeder, 426. Again I am telling you, when looking at the sums, you will look, there are 3 numbers, so let me add, because 3 numbers you won't be able to subtract the 3 numbers together, so let us add. No, first understand the sums properly, its meaning. So number of girls in a school made bird feeder, 384. Number of boys made bird feeders in a school, 426. Now when you add 384 and 426, add these 2 numbers. Then write down, therefore number of students contributed towards conserving the ecosystem. You have to add 384 plus 426. If you add these 2 numbers, you will be getting 810. So how many students contributed towards conserving the ecosystem? 810. So 810, write down in the answer. 810 students contributed towards conserving the ecosystem. So I have done this worksheet. Look at the sums properly and solve it in your copy. Thank you. Next